Awesome guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna teach you a weapon that's very essential for your survival, and that is a bow and arrows, which I'm excited to teach you. Because you're gonna have a deadly combo right now. So, so to make a bow, what you need is open your inventory, which is B, and then you go to engrams, which is this one here. You can actually press start as well, and you'll go to the next one. See? So we wanna go to engrams, and we wanna go to level 10. You need to be a level 10 to purchase this. So it takes 11 points to make a bow, and it takes 2 points to make stone arrows. Okay. So now that we have bought those, we want to go to crafting. We want to go to the picture right here. See that? Bow. Click on it. RT to make it, right? And then we want to go here, which is the stone arrows. Since I already have a lot, let's make everything already. Let's make everything. Okay, so that's how you do it. So what you want to do is this one, you place it on your belt, and I usually like to replace it with the spear because I don't no longer need it, right? Okay, so there you go. That's how you do it. Now, if you want to make tranquilize arrows, you can actually. Like you put for you to tame dinos, you actually go here, but you need to be at level 21 to make the tranq arrows. You buy it, and then you press select, so you can go back to crafting right here, and then it's right here. See that? And then narcotic. So in the previous video, I taught you how to do it, and it's right here. You drag it to your inventory, and then what you will do is crafting again, and then you want to go here, and then craft all. And little by little, you're gonna start having it on your inventory. See that? Which is pretty cool. But as you notice on my belt, it says 1 out of 3. That's because we made 19 arrows, tranq arrows, and now you have stone arrows 3, right? So in order for you guys to have options to your weapon, what you will do is select on your belt, make sure the bow is highlighted like it is now. You hold X, and then with the one that you move the camera, RS, which is the right stick, you press RT once this is highlighted in blue, and there you go. So it'll show you how to switch weapons. So you press RT again, and there you go. So that's how you guys do it. This is very essential to the to survival. So make sure. Hope you guys like this tutorial, and I hope you guys I see you on the next one. This is hope you guys survive another day. Subscribe so we can do another day of survival. Stay safe, my Ark mates.